Hey guys, this is Marshall. Today I'm going to show you everything about this Cat6 cable. It was gifted to me from the seller, so then I can show you everything about it, so keep watching. I'm going to throw an end on it and show you how easy that is. So this is a 500-foot spool of cable. It has all the stats right here, and it's got a spot where you can mark in like how much footage you use it, the date, the installer, how much was used, and the remaining length. So that's kind of neat. Don't typically see those. But this is some real thick, I think it says it's, what is it? 23 AWG. So it's 23 gauge, 4 pair, Cat6 unshielded twisted pair riser cable, bare copper wire. So let's go ahead and throw one of these ends on it. So first we're going to open it up and get the wires exposed. Yep. Looks like it does have that plastic divider in the middle right here. So we will cut all the junk that we don't need off of here. All right, so here we go. We're going to unravel the cable pair so we can get it flat going into these connectors. I always use the connectors that go through, not the ones you have to measure the exact size. So let's see. All right, I'm going to do the B style color code. So let me get all the wires lined up for that. All right, I got them all through. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Perfect. Perfect RJ45 end on there. So, yeah, this is some good cable. It's definitely going to work out good for me. All right, guys, so if you guys are in the market for some Cat6 cable, go ahead and get this. It worked out great building this RJ45 end, and it's going to work out great for you. It's a 500-foot box, so go ahead and get it. Thanks.